So what you can also do is you can utilize SongMaker inside of ChatGPT. So in order to utilize the SongMaker, you need to go to Explore GPT section right here, and then you need to go around and type in SongMaker right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that SongMaker is an option, and once you click on it, you can go around and start the chat around over here. And in the SongMaker section, you can go around and let's say, for example, tell it to make a song. So let's say, for example, write a song about a person traveling to Vietnam right here. Give musical notations as well, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, the SongMaker will actually go around and write out the song for you right here. So it's analyzing, as you can see right here. And then you can see that this is what you have. You got the song name, you got the folk acoustic type of genre right here, and you can see that it gives you the verse, the chorus, the verse again, the chorus, and outro, as you can see right here, just like this. So it goes around and gives you all of the lyrics, as you can see, and then you get the musical notation as well as a Python code, as you can see right here, that you can actually run and then generate out a music in Python if you want as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that this is the notation right here, and so forth. All of the instruments and everything is here, and there's the verse. And this is how you can utilize the SongMaker in order to get the lyrics generated and the music reference as you want inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.